It's October, the most haunted month of the year. And so Buddy and I wanted to team up and bring you a special edition of Spark of Science.
The Halloween Pumpkin Spooktacular! Ooh,
ah. Hi, I'm Al, and I'm a science interpreter here at the Franklin Institute.
And I'm Buddy. I'm the camp program supervisor here at the Franklin Institute. This is a bit of a blast from the past. We're gonna have some fun with some combustion through our pumpkin. Now, for combustion, we need three main things: an oxidizer, fuel, and heat. Our oxidizer is oxygen in the air. It's all around us. For our heat, I actually have a very small candle here, which I'm going to place inside of my pumpkin. And we're gonna light it. And for our fuel, I have a special ingredient known as lycopodium, which is very flammable. So here we go. Shall we give it a try?
Yes.
All right. Whoa. Shall we see it again? Why not?
Whoa! Awesome.
Pretty cool.
Buddy, that was really cool. But do you know what's even cooler? Liquid nitrogen, literally. As a refresher, nitrogen is present all around us in its gas form at room temperature. But liquid nitrogen, the liquid form of nitrogen, is negative 320 degrees Fahrenheit. It's super duper cold. One of my favorite things to do with it is to create a cloud. Clouds are formed when hot water vapor freezes. And so I have a cup of hot water inside of my pumpkin. That will provide all that hot water vapor. Now I'm gonna pour some liquid nitrogen inside, creating a vapor cloud. 2, 1.
Oh my gourd! That's awesome!
See, you're getting in on the puns too.
We're gonna add in a little bit of flair for our next combustion demonstration. See, it actually turns out that some of the chemicals from the periodic table of the elements, when you ignite them through combustion, actually burn different colors. We are going to use a liquid fuel this time. All right, here we go. Here's a little bit of copper for you. Oh, yeah. My other element here is something called lithium, which gives us a really nice sort of a fuchsia or a magenta. Some people might like to say a hot pink color.
For the final demonstration of our spooktacular, I want to take my cloud pumpkin up one notch, all right? Instead of just plain hot water, I have hot water that has soap in it, all right? Kind of dish soap that you might use to wash your dishes. So let's see what that looks like. Oh.
Well, that is one disgusting but cool demonstration.
A lot more bubbles than I even expected, but look at this. As I pop them, you can see that same cloud vapor coming out and being released from our bubbles. I hope you enjoyed this spark of science, and happy Halloween!